this is Megan, and I am back today with a new 12 by 12 process video. So for this one, I have these 4 pictures of Lorelai, my cute little mini me, and she is my partner's 5-year-old. So she basically is a little mini me, even though she's not biologically my child. She's definitely a little Megan. So I took these 2 different pictures of her one day in the spring. I think it was the spring. She used a couple of the blankets around the house. It might have been her twin brother's baby blanket, I don't remember, to make a little skirt, and she just like paraded around the house in these 2 different versions of this skirt that she made, and it was seriously the cutest thing. I'm pretty sure she asked me to take photos of her, just like, look at how pretty I am, you know, kind of attitude, and it was just so stinking cute. So of course I had to take photos, and I think this was actually the day that I took the photos, was the day that I scrapbooked them, which is always super fun when you're excited about some photos and you're so excited that you sit down literally almost minutes later after taking the photos and you get time to scrapbook. I apologize about the zooming in and out. I think I had forgotten to turn off the autofocus on my webcam, so yeah, sorry about that. But I believe this was back in March, I want to say, and I was using my March or April For the Love of Homemade Kits kit for the month of March or April. I don't remember which month it was, but I really loved this kit. It was so fun to play with, and I think that I was doing a scrap lift, possibly. I don't quite remember. And I'm really sad that I didn't get this video edited around the time that I made this layout, because I don't know if I even have photos taken of this layout. And now that we are all packed up, like all of my scrapbooking stuff is packed up, so I don't even know if I could find the layout to take photos of it. So this process video probably won't have any photos, unless I did actually take them and they're just hiding on my hard drive. But here you can see I am using this pink paper, and I am going to make cute little banners with this pink paper, and I'm not sure if I use the typewriter side or if I just use the pink side. I think I just use the pink side. But here I'm going to cut it down the middle and use the pink, it looks like. And then I'm also using some of these Maggie Holmes clear stickers, and they worked really well with this wood grain background. And I think I'm going to use all of them up on this layout. It was really fun to use these stickers because I buy them all the time and I like never use them. So I have tons of sticker booklets in my collection, and they're like old, you know? And in fact, I probably have gotten rid of a lot of them lately, actually. I don't think I have very many left. So now here I am going to start adding more banners. So I believe I'm going to add another banner, yep, right there under the pink one. And I really liked the blue floral on that piece of paper. And I'm actually not going to make it into a banner. I am just going to add it as just another paper layer. And then I'm just going to add this 3x4 card from, I believe that's a Project Life kit that I got that from, or one of, oh, who was it? Becky Higgins. One of her very first ones that I ever bought in like one of those big containers on HSN. I think that's where I got those cards from. So I was going to do some journaling on there, and then I'm going to pull out this label sheet. That was a 3x4. I'm pretty sure that was from a Meggy Holmes kit. And I'm just going to add a label there and then have my journaling be on the half of the 3x4 card that I glued down to the right side. Then I'm just going to start adding some stickers all around, and sorry, my computer is like having so many pop-ups right now. It's trying to install my printer update because I pulled out my printer again, and yeah, of course, while I'm doing my voiceover, it wants to do my printer update because why wouldn't it? Okay, so here you can see I added some more stickers and those banners and things up in the left-hand corner, and I'm adding more from another Meggy Holmes sticker sheet. And I think we're getting close to the end now. I'm just kind of cleaning up a little bit. You can kind of see my coffee there that I keep picking up and then setting down as I'm drinking it. Now here I am going to spell out the word Fashionista. And I thought that was just a cute little title, really easy. And these alphas have been in my stash for so many years. I don't even know how long. Like, I want to say these were probably the first thickers I ever bought, were these silver ones. And I believe they were from a Amy Tan collection, but I could totally be wrong. So here I'm adding another little banner up there. Not banner, another layer, paper layer. And then I'm going to finish spelling out the word Fashionista. And I'm pretty sure that is it. I might add maybe some paint drops or something. I guess we can sit here and wait, but I hope that you guys are having a great month of June. Ashley and I are getting so excited because our wedding is about 3 weeks away. I can't even believe that it's finally time for our wedding. We've been planning this for what feels like forever, and now that it's finally here, we're super excited. So I think I'm just spelling out Lorelai's name. So her name is Lorelai. Yes, like the Gilmore Girls. And I'm gluing them down because these stickers are old and they're also not very good sticky wise. So I'm just using my liquid glue to glue down all of these little teeny tiny letters. And then that is going to be it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a great scrappy day. Bye.